Ebusuya Endra and Ghana, Bank of Ghana, the better one thing say almost Sandy $1 billion. Eba be injected into the dollar, send a dollar and some form. Then I Ghana for big buffy, almost say, hey, a dang. Almost say a dang. Mobile, almost $7 billion and are intervening in the forex. But still, things are expensive in the market. Rent are expensive. People are suffering. It's almost say, what is the essence? What is the essence of injecting dollars into the system, into the forex? Say the beya with that dollar form. Whilst it's not affecting our daily life, whilst things are still expensive at the market, what is the essence? Ghanaians are asking this question. Almost say, Membusa, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Bank of Ghana Governor, Dr. Asiamah say, what is the essence of injecting dollars into the forex barrel? Injecting dollars into the forex barrel, and things are still expensive at the market. People cannot even afford 2 square meal. People cannot even afford 2 square.
Yes, in fact, Ghana. Bank of Ghana to inject another $1 billion. Stabilize city. Almost in November, October, almost $1 billion. And the coins, city no city na benya ho ode as say, me no ka say pounds okra ne ho ode about 14 cities. And no, say asika no mo di shame no, o mampani Mahama se men kan tell say asan. City ne be san apeja bi ma dollar no, asan ye de a. And me no ka say November ya o masan yi another $1 billion atoa. E free na ekro ya, o mo san di ewuram. Atma seed in atna dollar no conswa na eno na question man for say is it necessary no man pani mutimi na anti kwaburo check obo be say $1 billion say mo dey baba you o man yi na mo $1 billion da dem a na matam na magagum say ye ma seed na nya hode eno de dey ba de na bebre ye me ka obi ba be di atem say importers wan amman for fi import o ne ma de ba Ghana ene ma be na F4 Ghana ho 1 month abeko aba be twam said you see the impact ben and diaba petrol ye dia buy 11 series coins diesel ye dia buy 12 series coins impact ben and diaba o manu mummi adwuma ena no mo se mo ye nkokon kitinkiti project nkokon kitinkiti amode ye campaign ye mo major campaign 24-hour economy munya sika mpo mfenye mo se every district be nkokon 10,000 beds na ma dividing into 200 houses. Every 200 houses be ambemo nkokon maku 50 uka create a efie bia ye nkokon maku 4 nkokon maku 4 ye de ye poultry farm we nyina mo pesika de aye a mo wasika da ho o so le mo cheche sanitary pad ma school for mo kokra ni nyina ba eti say $1 billion na mo say no mo jimi fe mie factory bi tomato factory wo palu kura mo pesika de aye o mampani Mahama ada na mo yesa se mo aye mo adwen asa mo beta eti abrochirefo wo ka obi beka say abrochirefo nti na mo yesa de ni munyai ye di problem but the issue is impact ben na sika na omokofa de behim ese abroche sika no eye mo Ghana ho mo produce hwe wo honom wa mampani kura ka se mo di koko kura kwa abroche koton na se dollar no wo foma munya hwe na matimi anya sika de ato ho se ya san akwa akofa edi ba behim se de be yam benya konyewu na no ye wo honom and teachers ne nurse for equal strike sika kura mo de be mo kura munya bi na ade na mo ya abrosa one district one factory akufo ade mo start yin na mo se mo nto aso agenda 111 hospitals mo se nya de ambeto aso legacy project de bre mo se mo nto aso bet mo se sika ne keke mo mun kan hu se mre ni nka so but ba se wa dwen comment section minim se we NDC ne baba be di atem because wa dwen wo fom ade ye kan ye ka critical thinking because wujimi nkofa wa usika wa boa no wa sisa wo ne ma akoton na burochire nya o mai kuro ni su sika de abetu mam na won fa sika ne nya dwuma bia wo se maye matu agum se be mbenya kwansen awia na wuwia wasan na ante se me na mo kwa kobo be se $1 billion common sense be ka tell se de wo ye nyansa bia nyede enim bra be tell wadwen comment section honom na yankuye ne ma media atem na me ma no ya chen kire wadwen ususu se is it necessary say Bank of Ghana esa akofa $1 billion edi bebe shema sika ne koye $2.115 billion November, October and November. Is it necessary? So on base because impact be no one my debo minus so name amount for because oka create will be on my 2.1 or sit down Ghana cross because not 26 can be form. Ebeba soro no enya de obeye mo amaka say remittances sika amount for send back Ghana and am say sika ne say yenti no ni nyina so ate mo pekwan be fa so a mo bechichi illegal for ni nyina na we ye ni piaka bra betre wadwen ne enkuenim emma media tem na de NDC amamu ne ye no efiri nyame e begina ne mfiri nyame ya 2020 yewe still possible
obaye o promise say what the 24-hour economy ba one job 3 shifts one job 3 shifts. Ese jumba ba ko nipa miensa na ebeye e jumba ko nipa 3 na ebeye obaye untimi nyeye obaye untimi enyeye instead of you to focus on that one no now this can be factories ama youth na ejuma ye no you are busy injecting money into the system whilst it is not even affecting anything because things are still expensive in the market. So what's the essence of injecting money? What's the essence? You just tell me in the comments. What is the essence of injecting money into the system? And also what got told me faculty public sector workers. O got to market o koya. We get some 2.5%. You know masa. You decrease 2.5%. You no go collect. Don't cause actually na for the ordinary one I call buy or say my mom 5. And almost say masa. You want to try to insult us? I'm gonna say, you want to insult us because it clearly shows that you don't respect us. It clearly shows that you don't respect us and you just want to insult us. And the market can be check out, papa. I'm gonna say, government insulting offer of 2.5%, later adjusted to 5%, shows a complete lack of empathy and respect for the sacrifice of public sector workers, aggrieved labor unions. Bro. You dey lie to people and you dey deceive them instead of they insult them on top. Why do you do that? These are some of the critical issues that you should be spending money on. What I say? These are some of the critical issues you should be spending money on. This is critical issue that what I say. These are critical issues. I was saying, Mr. President, but you are not doing that. You are not doing that. How can you tell me say who put the almost $7 billion? But I think IMF 42 billion. So it's almost says now. Why don't you start building factories? Burkina Faso president and show what is doing in the country. She never all year Burkina Faso. She what no. So yeah, all year the young guy who you sit down as president. What do you ask yourself? Say. Ask yourself. Ask yourself that question. Then why? Ask yourself. And you see, Tibon Kofu, they'll be going around and making unnecessary noise $1 form. But still, things are still expensive. Things are still expensive. So what's the essence of dollar about form? It is not affecting. It's not changing anything. It's not changing anything. So what's the essence? What is the essence? Let me tell you, let's be serious in this country for once. This government was spending scar, baby, nothing to show for. Nothing to show. So what's the essence? What's the essence? Let's be serious in this country for once. Let's be serious in this country for once. At least for once, let's be serious. Let's be serious. Sometimes we play too much. I mean, himself grow away so. But let's be serious as a country for once. And stop all this grown away in so no. Because it's not going to help anyone. It is not going to help anyone. Because the government is failing us. And it's not a promise or promise saying. Hi, Rns BOG. I'm just 24. My comment section. Fast.